Today I will be making a fall-themed faux floral arrangement for home decor. I will be using maple leaves, pomegranate fruit branches, real touch roses, and artificial green magnolia leaves. Starting with a handful of maple leaves, create a simple base. Bend the wired stems to achieve your desired height, or cut with floral clippers if you have them. For an organic look, bend in shape your leaves and wired stems to create height and movement throughout your arrangement. Then, simply place into your vase and continue to build. Once you are satisfied with your maple leaf base, let's add in some pomegranate branches. Using that same technique, bend those wired stems to create your desired height or clip down with floral cutters. Bending and shaping those stems and leaves as you go, add as many faux branches as you desire. After you are satisfied with the amount of pomegranate branches in your arrangement, let's add in some real touch roses. I picked roses in sunset colors for this, but any dusty or warm colored rose will do. Bend your stems to create that desired height and stick your flowers into the arrangement, giving a little space in between the roses. Go from side to side and front to back. Only a small handful of roses are necessary. Lastly, and optionally, add in some regular everyday greenery. Here I used magnolia stems. Shape them by bending out their wired stems and simply insert into your flower arrangement where holes might need to be filled or where you just want a little extra green. And that is it. Take a step back and fluff your arrangement and enjoy. You did it.